Hi, so today I'll be teaching you how to create a simple ebook cover. That is what we'll be doing today. A simple ebook cover and a mock-up design. So the ebook cover is not going to be done in details. I just want to show you how to get it. We are going to actually do the mock-up. It is the mock-up that I want you to see. So what you want to do is you want to go to canva.com. So I'm already here on canva.com. You want to go to canva.com. So canva.com, this is where you want to come and design. So let's say canva.com. so this is it. So this is Canva. If you are not yet signed up, you can sign up on Canva, and once you sign on, you log in and you are in. Now Canva has a lot of free templates for you if you don't know how to design. You're not good with colors. There are a lot of things you want to do. So for your presentations, you can create templates for presentations here. There are templates for presentations, social media, video marketing. You have everything from poster to logo, flyer, business card, blog banner. This is Facebook ads, gift certificates, email header, banner, landscape. This is for marketing. So you want to come to social media, you have everything from Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram stories. So you can easily design TikTok videos. You can see Facebook cover, WhatsApp status. You can easily design different in YouTube thumbnail. You come to your presentation, you have talking presentation, mobile presentation, different presentations that you want to do. You find them here. Office. So you see, you have resume, reports, planner, letters. These are templates that you can use easily to create whatever it is you want to do. These are pre-designed templates, but if you want to create a design, you can come up here and create a design. So let's go into our book cover. So we want to look at a book cover, and we are going to be using already made templates. I'm not going to be designing anything from scratch. Like I said, this is not a Canva class. So we want to just pick one of these templates. Let's see. So let's pick this, a second chance with Chase. I've clicked on it and I just want to edit the name. So very simple. You put the name of your ebook, you put your picture. If you have a picture, you can change the picture. You can just click here, change the name. You can click here, change the pictures. You can do anything. So we are not changing that. We only want to change the name of the author. So I'm going to be putting my name here. This is just an illustration. I did not write this book. So this is all right. So we want to put something here. You know, every author is a best-selling author. If you can write, you are good. You're a best-selling author, definitely, as long as what you are writing is not rubbish. Okay, so we have best-selling author. So we have best-selling author here, and yes, we come to download, and that is it. So you can see, very fast, very easy. So I want to download this as PNG, high quality image. I download it, and yes, it is down. So okay, this is another one that I did. Let's pick this. Let's just pick this. All right, so we want to change the name here again to okay. So okay, so let's just change this name. Okay, so we want to also come here. Okay, so you can see here they said bedtime story for kids, but we want to put our best-selling author here. So I come to the left hand side here where you have elements, uploads. You can just pick any of these design things here and change. So text, I want to add a text, add heading, add subheading. So I can put Amazon best selling here. So Amazon best selling. So this is here, and I am done with this design. Can you see, as easy and simple as possible? So let's pull this down a little, just a little. Yes, and this is it. So let's download this too. So download as not PDF, just PNG. So you can actually use this to write a book. You can use this to write your book. So when you write your book, you just download your book as PDF, and that is all. So we are using PNG here. So PNG, I download, and I have my book downloaded. Okay, so it is there. All right, so we are done with Canva. We want to go and mock it up. So this is how to mock up your book so that it's looking beautiful and people want to buy. Yes, so you want to go to https /do it yourself DIY book cover / 3D mockup. So this is it. So you click on it and it takes us there. So you want to sell your ebook. So site notes coming up. You want to sell your ebook. You want it to look beautiful. You want your ebook to look beautiful. Do it yourself book covers. Yes, book covers. 3D mockup. So you want your book to look beautiful, presentable. This is the site you want to come. There are other sites that you can do mock up, but here is where you want to come. What's happening? Network. https / do it yourself bookcovers.com. Okay, .com. Okay, so we are here. All right, so we have 3 online book mockup. So these are single mockups. You can see it's showing us tablet, it's showing your book standing on its own, it's showing it as a phone here. There are different things. So let's just pick one design. Let's do one first, then we'll move. So let's pick this. Yes, so we have picked this. So we come here, we go to next. So we want to browse for the book cover we just created on Canva. So let's see, this is desktop. So let's pick one. So it's going to upload. If you look down, it's uploading. So let's wait for it to upload. So yes, so we have it. So this is the first book, A Second Chance. You can see this is a best-selling author. Yay! So it's as easy as this. Then you come here, you click on next. You can actually do this with your phone. So you click on next, then want to download with JP or PNG. So let's see, PNG. If you do PNG, you come and click here and it will download. So let's also click on JPG and you click here and it is downloaded. So we are done with this. So I don't want to open it yet. Let's go back so you can see. Let's pick another. Let's go back to step 1. So step one back. So step 1, want to pick it standing as a book. Okay, so let's pick it standing as a book. So let's pick this. We go to next. We come here. It's the same book we want to do, so it's already there. So just come here, upload, since it's the same book, and 100%. Oh yeah, yes. So next, so I want to download. All right, so let's see how it looks. So this is the first one. Okay, so it's upload. All right, can you see it? Can you see this? This is beautiful. Can you see? This is beautiful. Let me just increase it so you can see. Let me reduce it a little so it's showing on your phone. This is phone, so you can actually use this to market your book. Can you see? Can you see that? All right, so let's go again. Let's go back. So we want to open this. So this is opened, and can you see this? So it's showing as a phone view. So let's open the book view, so we see the book view of this. So I want to look at the book view. So let's open this. So this is also open. Voila, can you see that? Beautiful. So you have this. You see, when you present this, people look at it and say, wow, your book is beautiful. So depending on the design you use, this is beautiful. All right, so let's go to the composite. We want to do the composite, so let's go back and back. Yes, so let's look at the composite. You know, we just did single, so let's look at the composite view. Yay! So this is the composite view. You can either have it as tablet and the book, or a tablet, the book, and the phone look. So depending, so let's see, you can see the arrangement. This is from the book to the phone to the tablet. This is from the tablet to the phone to the book. So let's just pick a design. So let's pick this, then we'll go to next, then let's upload. Okay, let's do one for this book. So let's upload one for this book. So we have this. Let's go to next. So we are just doing one for this, then we'll go and do the second book. So you click here to download it. So it's downloaded. Then let's go back. Then we want to upload. We want to browse another book. So let's pick another book. Let's see. So let's pick this and we upload. All right, so it's coming up and we have it. So we have this. Yes, it's 100%. And next, yes, so let's download PNG. Click here and it will download. Yes, so we have it. All right, let's open this. Okay, now before we open this, let's pick another design. You know, the first one we did was this look here. So let's pick another look. You want to pick another look. This is from tablets to the phone to the book. So let's see. Okay, let's pick just phone and tablets. So let's go to next. Then we already have it. This is the same book we're doing, so we just go to next, straight up, upload. Okay, upload. So we have uploaded. All right, so next. Why? All right, so let's pick it again. Okay, upload. All right, so let's come and choose PNG, and we'll download. Great. All right, so let's check out our images. So I think we've seen this before. Let's see. Okay, so we've seen this image before. So let's look at this. So this is up. Beautiful. Can you see that? This is beautiful. So you want to present this. You want to use this to market your book. You want to use this to sell your book. So this is simply how it looks like. So let's go to the next image. Let's say the next image. And this is up. Great. Can you see that? It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So you have the phone view, the tablet view, and the book view. So you have this. So let's see the third image. And this is simply how to create a do-it-yourself mock-up. So you don't actually need to pay somebody to help you create a book cover or to help you create a mock-up for your book. You can do it yourself. If you have gotten value from watching this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.